Hey guys, this is Mr. Marionette here, and today we're gonna have a reaction video to the Ipecac car wash made by Skippy. Sorry, I can't remember now since I'm already on the screen. I'm not really gonna remember usernames, but I will leave his name in the description below. Without further ado, let's go.
L.A Beast here. I just had a long talk with my dad, and he said I don't help out around the house, and that all this YouTube stuff filming his house not gonna happen anymore. He gave me the ultimatum saying if I film one more video in his house and he catches me, I'm done. I'm kicked out. That's fucking bullshit. You know what? You said I don't contribute around the house. I don't help out. I don't help out the family. You know what? I have a great idea. And it's not going to be filmed in your house. That's right. Technically, I'm filming, but I'm not inside the house. I'm in the garage, inside of his car. A Buick, to be exact, an old man's car. As you can see, he's got that sweet old man's hat in the back. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give him a car wash.
It's nice.
So what I did, I went out and found this 5-year-old bottle of Ipecac syrup. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to drink it down. I'm going to drink some of this soda, try to give myself more of a geyser effect, and hopefully wash his car with my vomit. One bottle of Ipecac.
Why?
Cheers. Actually tastes like maple syrup. Whew, it's been about 5-6 minutes. My mouth is salivating. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Get that carbonation going. So if this stuff actually works, I don't know, it's about 4 or 5 years old. If this stuff actually works, hopefully it'll be just an explosive diarrhea bomb. Goodness.
Reminds me of what I said.
I think I'm a pretty good son, and I think at the end of the day we're all just gonna have a big laugh. Oh, I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good.
His eyes.
I don't feel so good. Oh. Oh. That's not good.
His eyes.
I think I have to poop my pants. Oh, God. Oh.
I think he's finished. What the fuck?
Oh.
Thank God.
Feel better. Well, I guess Ipecac syrup does work. Dad, I love you.
What? Oh, so that's a organic. He was on about. Oh my god. That is some crazy shit. That's basically my reaction. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if it was pointless or not, but I'll be uploading it anyway. You'll be seeing it right now. And I will see you guys in the next reaction or gameplay video. See you guys next time. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and whatever. Bye bye.